What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we're making crispy ranch chicken wings. You can bake or air fry these. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I have 2 pounds of chicken wings. These are already split, and I'm gonna season them with my homemade ranch seasoning. I'll provide full details in the description box below for what spices you will need for that. Then I'm gonna add in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna get these nice and coated. That's gonna get these nice and crisp. And then you can bake or air fry these. If you bake them, you're gonna bake them in a 375-degree oven for 20 minutes. Then you're gonna open and flip those wings and bake for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. You wanna make sure those wings reach an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees using a meat thermometer. Or you can air fry them. You can air fry those for 15 minutes on 400 degrees. Then you're gonna open the air fryer and flip the chicken and cook for an additional 5 to 10 minutes or until crisp. Same rules apply. Make sure that they reach an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees. And there you have it, crispy ranch chicken wings. I'm dipping these in my homemade ranch dressing.